Hi students, myself Bimya KP, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Parsharaja College, Pulpalli. Today I am discussing the topic progression. This is a part of third semester BBA subject Basic Numerical Methods. Sequence. Sequence means a list of numbers having specific relation between the consecutive terms is generally called a sequence. Here is an example, the series 1, 3, 5, 7. Next term is to be obtained by using the equation difference is equal to second term minus first term. Here first term is denoted by alphabet A and difference is denoted by alphabet D. So the first term A is equal to 1 and D is the difference between second term and first term. Here second term is equal to 3 and first term is equal to 1. So the difference between 3 and 1 is equal to 2. So the first term A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2. Arithmetic progressions. If various terms of a sequence are formed by adding a fixed number to the previous term or the difference between two successive terms is a fixed number, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. General form of an AP: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, to the last one A plus n minus 1D. Here A is the first term and D is called a common difference. Nth term of AP. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let's see an example. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2, n is equal to 12. Find An. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 2 plus 12 minus 1 into 2. 2 plus 11 into 2. Answer is equal to 24. Next question. Find number of terms of AP 100, 105, 110, 150. The last one 500. First term A is equal to 100. Last term An is equal to 500. How to find the difference? It is the difference between second term and first term. So 105 is the second term and 100 is the first term. The difference between 105 and 100 is equal to 5. So based on the information given, find the value of n. So nth term is equal to An into A plus n minus 1 into D. 500 is equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5. Next step, 500 minus 100 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. 400 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 400 divided by 5. N minus 1 is equal to 80. N is equal to 80 plus 1. N is equal to 81. Hence the number of terms are 81. Next concept, sum of nth term in AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Problem, find the sum of 30 terms of given AP 12, 20, 28, 36. So in this given AP, first term is equal to 12. It is denoted by alphabet A. Common difference is D is equal to 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. The sum to an n terms of an arithmetic progression equation is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 30 by 2, or you can use 1 by 2 into 30 into 2 into a is equal to 12, 12 plus n is equal to 30, 30 minus 1 into d is equal to 8. Next step, 15 into 24 plus 29 into 8. Next step, 15 into 24 plus 232, 15 into 246. Answer, the sum of terms is 3690. Next problem, find the sum of terms in given AP. Series 2, 4, 6, 8, last one 200. First term is A is equal to 2. Common difference is difference between second and first term, that is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Nth term is equal to n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 200 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. Here the unknown value is n. So we find the value of n. So 200 minus 2 is equal to 2 into n minus 1. 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 198. Next step, n minus 1 is equal to 99. So how to get 99? 198 divided by 2. Next step, n is equal to 100. How to get 100? N is equal to 99 plus 1. N is equal to 100. Next step, the sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. Using the equation, sum of nth terms in AP is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S100 is equal to 100 by 2 into 2 plus 100 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 50 into 4 plus 192. Next step, 50 into 202. So answer is equal to 10,100. Thanks to all for watching.